Do you love trading content but don't understand Hindi? Well, great news. You can now watch the Nice World videos in complete English audio. Yes, full dubbing, not just subtitles. Hey everyone, I'm excited to share something big with you today. Over the past few days, especially last 3 days, I've started dubbing all my videos in English, especially for my non-Hindi speaking viewers across South India and all over the world. As you know, most of my videos are in a Hindi English mix, but predominantly in Hindi, and I have received tons of love from you all. But I've also heard from many of you who said, "We love your content, but we wish we could fully understand." So now you can finally watch my videos in fluent English audio, and very soon I'll be dubbing all my past videos too, so you won't miss a single insight. Let me quickly show you how to enable English audio on my channel. Step 1. Go to YouTube and open the Nice World channel, and then open any of the video from the Nice World channel, preferably last 2 or 3 days video, because other videos are not dubbed at the moment, but surely I'll do. So let's open. I'm going to open this video. Okay, so you see this video is originally having Hindi audio. Now step 3 is click on this button, settings button. It will show you this audio track. Click on it and then select English audio. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this with your friends who have been missing out due to language barriers. Your support keeps me going. And hey, if you are from a non-Hindi background, let me know in the comments where you are watching from. I would love to connect. This is just the beginning. More content, more languages and more value coming your way. Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Goodbye.